एवरीवन, वेलकम टू करियर इन फार्मा। तो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे इम्पोर्टेंट इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस फॉर क्लिनिकल रिसर्च। So if you are going to give interview for any fresher role for clinical research such as clinical research coordinator, clinical trial coordinator, clinical trial assistant or maybe clinical data coordinator, then you need to know these questions. Now these clinical trial questions for important interviews we are going to cover in 5 to 6 videos. So this is going to be a series, and today this is video 1 in that series. So let's start. Now there could be so many questions in interview, but we'll stick to the most important one which you should be knowing. Without any doubt, you should be knowing these basic if you are going to give interview for clinical trial. So question number 1 is, what do you understand by clinical trial? Okay. Now, before I start, please don't judge me that I'm reading from somewhere because I don't remember. Once again, but you need to remember each and everything if you are going to give interview for clinical trial profile. Yes. Now, what is clinical trial? So, clinical trial is a type of research that studies new tests or treatment and evaluate their effects on human health outcomes. So, in a very layman term, this is a kind of research जिसमें हम कोई भी नई drug, नया treatment, new diagnostic procedure, any new behavioral therapy, any new preventive treatment, we test those in humans. That is known as clinical trials. And in clinical trials, patients, people, they volunteer to take part, and that's how we are able to test all this stuff in humans. So clinical trial is nothing, it is testing of a new drug, device, diagnostic procedure, maybe any preventive treatment into humans is known as clinical trial. Yes? Question number 2 is, what are different type of clinical trial? तो एक question तो होता है what are different type of clinical trial, other question is what are different phases of clinical trial. So these two are totally different. Phases means the steps जिसमें हम clinical trial run करते हैं. Types means there could be different types of clinical trial, right? As I mentioned in the definition of clinical trial can test anything. It can test any new medicine, any new diagnostic procedure, any new prophylactic treatment. It could test anything. So considering that, there are different types of clinical trial. So clinical trial could be prevention trials where you look for better ways to prevent any disease. इसमें आपकी एग्जांपल आएंगे जैसे कि कोई भी मेडिसिन हो सकती है, वैक्सीन्स हो सकती हैं. You all know, right? Vaccines we give to babies to prevent any disease which happens when they grow old. So vaccines are the very good example of preventive trial. Any lifestyle changes could be a preventive trial. Other type of trial could be screening trial where we are testing new ways of detecting disease or health conditions. दूसरा type हो सकता है diagnostic trial where maybe we are looking for some new diagnostic procedure for any disease, or maybe we are just comparing the available test or product, means we are just comparing how they are, whatever available in market. Then comes treatment trials where we test new treatment. Now this new treatment could be anything. It could be medicine also, it could be any device also, right? So it could be combination of drug and device, or it could be like any new surgery also, maybe any new radiation therapy, it could be any treatment, any new treatment. Then come behavioral trials, जहाँ पे we evaluate or compare ways to promote behavioral changes, which is designed to improve the health. Then comes quality of life trials or supportive care trials, जहाँ पे we explore and measure ways to improve the comfort and quality of life of the patient, of the people who are suffering from that illness or maybe any medical condition. So these are the different types of clinical trial. Okay, so it could be for diagnosis, for surgeries, for treatment, for behavioral therapy, for preventive measures. It could be anything. Right. So next very important question number 3 is, What are preclinical trials? So clinical trials are always on humans. Please remember it. Clinical. Anything which is clinical is which we are doing on humans. So clinical trials, we are always testing the drug in humans. Clinical trials शुरू होने से पहले we do preclinical trials. That's why the name is preclinical, before clinical. So humans में हम किसी भी नए इंटरवेंशन को टेस्ट करने से पहले the pharma company test those drugs, device, whatever it is, into animals. Animals who have a similar genetic makeup, closer genetic makeup to humans, such as a rat, and then we do in pigs also in some cases. So preclinical trial is nothing. Preclinical research is simply the test or testing of any intervention into animals before we can test that intervention into humans. So that is preclinical trial or preclinical research, that is into animals. Question number 4 is, what are different phases of clinical trial? This is a very important interview question which you can't afford to miss actually when you are going in any interview. इसमें आपको एक एक फेज का बहुत ही अच्छे से पता होना चाहिए कि हम एक्चुअली इस फेज में करते क्या हैं. So there are 4 phases of clinical trial. कोई भी clinical trial, it could be for drug, it could be for device, it could be for some preventive therapy, it could be some behavioral therapy, whatever kind of trial it is. These 4 phases they need to clear. तब हम बोलेंगे that is a successful trial. So phase number 1 is जिसको हम human pharmacology trial भी बोलते हैं. As the name is suggesting, human pharmacology means वो वाला फेज जहां पे हम किसी भी ड्रग की फार्माकोलॉजी फाइंड आउट करते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज फार्माकोलॉजी? यू ऑल नो. इफ यू डोंट नो, प्लीज गूगल. फार्माकोलॉजी मींस जहां पे हम सिंपली ड्रग कैसे बिहेव करने वाली है, उसका फार्माकोकाइनेटिक्स क्या होगा, उसका डायनामिक्स क्या होगा, दैट वी आइडेंटिफाई. सो दैट इज द फार्माकोलॉजी. So very simple, in phase 1 we are just identifying the pharmacology of the drug and that we need to test in humans, right? Or very important aspect of any clinical trial is before we want any medicine to be effective, we want that medicine to be safe. Because if it's not safe, then there is no point of effectiveness or that efficacy, right? So safety is the major concern in clinical trials. So phase 1 में हमारा main purpose है to check the safety of the drug. This is also known as human pharmacology trial, where we evaluate the safety of the drug and the doses of the drug. So if somebody asking you what actual purpose of phase 1 is, you have to tell safety of any medicine, and it is also known as pharmacology trial, human pharmacology trial. So here in phase 1 trial, the number of population is usually very less, like 10 to 100 or 10 to 80. And we test the drug into very small population. Now phase 1 में we can also have healthy volunteers depending on what kind of trial we are running. क्योंकि अभी हमें एक safe dose of drug identify करनी है, safety check करनी है, तो we can do in healthy volunteers also, but not always. If the trial is related to cancer or any medicine which is very toxic, then in that case we will take the patient with that specific disease. So that is phase 1, also known as human pharmacology trial. Main purpose is to find out the safety of the drug. We do it in very small population like 10 to 100 people, right? Now comes to phase 2. Phase 1 में जहां पे हमें पता चल गया कि medicine safe है, then we move to next phase, that is phase 2. Now comes the efficacy. So once we are sure this medicine is safe to use, then we are going to check the efficacy. कितनी effective है? Because that is also an important thing to look for. If drug is not effective, what is the point in using that drug, right? So we are sure, okay, the drug is safe. Now in phase 2, we are going to check the efficacy, and phase 2 is also known as therapeutic exploratory trials. Means we are exploring the therapeutic effect of the medicine. So that's why phase 2 is called therapeutic exploratory trial. See, it's very easy to remember if you understand the concept. जैसा मैंने बोला फेज 1 में वी आर एक्सप्लोरिंग द फार्माकोलॉजी, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज ह्यूमन फार्माकोलॉजी ट्रायल। फेज 2 में वी आर exploring the efficacy, therapeutic effect of that drug. That's why it is known as therapeutic exploratory trial. Main purpose is to explore the therapeutic efficacy as well as side effect of the drug. Phase 2 trial में हम थोड़ा population बढ़ा देते हैं। Now ये hundreds में हो जाती है, जैसे कि 100 to 200, 300 और up to 500 it could be. थोड़ा population हमने बढ़ा दी, and in phase 2 trial we will always take the patients with that disease, क्योंकि हमें effectiveness चेक करनी है। बिना disease patients को लिए how we will check the effectiveness, right? So therapeutic effects देखने के लिए we need to take patients with the concerned disease, like whatever trial it is. Let's say अगर कोई hypertension related trial है या maybe cancer related trial है, so we need those patients, ठीक है? तो phase 2 में we can't take healthy volunteers, we need to take patients with that disease. So that is phase 2. Now comes phase 3 trial, जिसको हम therapeutic confirmatory trial या expanded trials भी बोलते हैं। Why we are saying therapeutic confirmatory trials means जो भी हमने phase 2 में therapeutic effects देखे या जो dose देखी therapeutic effect आने के लिए, उसको हम confirm करते हैं phase 3 में। That's why it is called therapeutic confirmatory trial, or expanded trial means we are taking more number of patients here. So phase 3 में will take patients in the number of thousands, 1,000 to 2,000, 4,000, 5,000. It can go up to 8, 10,000 also, depending on the size of the trial. So very easy, right? Phase 3 is therapeutic confirmatory trial or expanded trial, and here the main purpose of phase 3 is to collect more information on other side effect or other adverse effect and to explore the efficacy once again, and we are confirming the efficacy in phase. Now comes phase 4. अब जब phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 over हो जाता है and the pharma company is very sure कि उनका medicine safe भी है, उनका medicine effective भी है और side effects भी nominal हैं, so we can just launch the drug into market. Then after the drug is launched into the market, then the phase which starts is called as phase 4, और जिसको हम post marketing study भी कहते हैं या post marketing surveillance भी कहते हैं, PMS. That is phase 4, and that only is pharmacovigilance. Okay. Now why we are saying it trial, although the drug is in market now, we still saying it trial because क्लिनिकल ट्रायल में हमारे पास लिमिटेड सेट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन होती है, हमारे पास एक्सक्लूजन क्राइटेरिया होता है, इंक्लूजन क्राइटेरिया होता है। वी कांट टेक ऑल द पेशेंट्स, वी कांट टेक ऑल द पॉपुलेशन। दैट्स व्हाई फेज 4 को हम स्टिल ट्रायल बोल रहे हैं इनिशियल फेजेस में, बिकॉज वंस द ड्रग इज लॉन्च्ड इन द मार्केट, then we can see the effect and many other adverse effects, side effects, new effect, drug interaction, drug-food interaction, so many things we will see once the drug is newly launched into the market. Okay, so that's why this is post-marketing study, and that's why we are still calling it as a trial, that is phase 4 trial. Yes, so this is about the phases: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. Now comes last question for this individual episode number 1. So last question is phase 0 trial, जिसके बारे में हमने भी बात नहीं करी। तो see, although phase 0 is not common, this is something which is in just books. कोई भी कंपनी इसको यूजुअली करती नहीं है, but still there is a concept of phase 0 clinical trial that you should be knowing, and that interviewer may ask you in interview. So phase 0 क्या होता है? phase 0 को हम microdosing trial भी बोलते हैं. As the name is suggesting, microdosing means we are using the microdose of the medicine, and which is a very low dose actually. We can say that is a sub-pharmacological dose, means ऐसी डोज जो कि फार्माकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट से भी कम है, मतलब जिस डोज पे फार्माकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट आपको दिखने लगेंगे उससे भी कम डोज को हम यूज कर रहे हैं. So this is very questionable also because we are using such a micro dose, we are using sub-pharmacological dose. तो हमें जो इफेक्ट्स दिख रहे हैं वो सही भी है कि नहीं, रेलेवेंट भी है कि नहीं. दैट्स व्हाई दिस phase 0 trial is not much in use, but still theoretically there is a concept. तो इसको माइक्रोडोजिंग ट्रायल भी बोलते हैं, सब फार्माकोलॉजिकल डोज जहां पे हम यूज करते हैं. एंड इन दिस माइक्रोडोज स्टडी वी जस्ट स्टडी पीके डेटा, फार्माकोकाइनेटिक्स डेटा हम कलेक्ट करते हैं. Although again this is not very relevant because it is still questionable कि this सब फार्माकोलॉजिकल डोज या माइक्रोडोज में हमें कुछ फार्माकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट दिखने भी वाले हैं कि नहीं. And main aim of phase 0 is to get the PK/PD data, that is pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic data on drugs. ये फेज 0 कोई भी डेटा सेफ्टी या एफिकेसी के ऊपर नहीं देता है बिकॉज जो डोज है वो बहुत ही कम है, माइक्रो डोज है, सब फार्माकोलॉजिकल डोज है. सो वी आर सिंपली डूइंग PK/PD, वही हम एनालाइज कर रहे हैं, नो सेफ्टी नो एफिकेसी. Yes, so guys, this is all about this episode number 1 of our important interview series for clinical research, जहां पे I covered what is clinical trial, what are different types, not phases of clinical trial, then preclinical studies क्या होती है, number 4 is what are different phases of clinical trial, and fifth, last but not the least is what actually is phase 0 clinical trial. तो ये पांचों क्वेश्चन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है इंटरव्यू के लिए. क्लिनिकल ट्रायल प्रोफाइल फ्रेशर्स लेवल पे बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसके अलावा यू शुड बी नोइंग फ्यू टर्मिनोलॉजीज इन क्वेश्चंस के अराउंड. वो ये है कि फार्माकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट क्या होता है, फार्माकोलॉजिकल डोज क्या होता है, फार्माकोकाइनेटिक्स क्या होता है, फार्माकोडायनामिक्स क्या होता है, थेरेपेटिक इफेक्ट क्या होता है, सेफ्टी ड्रग की क्या होती है, व्हाट इज पोटेंसी, पोटेंट डोज, what is effectiveness and efficacy. So these terminologies you should be knowing if you are going to give interview. So yes, that's all about this episode 1 of our important interview question answer series for our clinical research, and it is a free course also, freely available. So just share with your friends who are preparing for clinical research interview, and I bet you it's going to help you a lot. और आज के भी जो मैंने 5 क्वेश्चंस कवर किए हैं, इसमें से किसी में भी आपको डाउट हो, मे बी स्टिल यू हैव नॉट गॉट दैट क्लैरिटी, प्लीज पुट योर डाउट क्वेश्चन इन द कमेंट बॉक्स एंड आई वुड लव टू रीड ऑल द क्वेश्चन. So with this, I'm going to conclude this video. We'll be coming soon with some next video very soon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.